Yeah guys, short video here about this U-shaped faucet adapter set. That's what I got. By the way, this is not a sponsored product. I paid full price. The really nice thing is that we get a lot. We get all the adapters, we get the faucet, we get also gaskets, we get Teflon tape, we get the tool. And so let's see how this works here. Let's remove the old one which didn't work really nicely anymore. And so I need to figure out which one is matching here. Just trying randomly. This one doesn't work. Let's try next one. Just trying here underneath. Also didn't work. Now let's try this one, or on the other side. Yeah, we still have more options. I mean, maybe we don't even need an adapter. Maybe it works directly with this part here. Didn't even try. Yeah, it looks like it's working, but of course now we can see there's no gasket here inside, so I'm using the old one. I could also use one of the gaskets which are included, but the old one looks actually still pretty good, so I'm trying to fit that here inside. Looks good. So I'm holding it and rotating. Yeah, that was super easy, actually much easier than expected. Now grabbing the tool here so I can tighten that a little bit more, but no need to over tighten. Yeah, and so let's try and see if that works. Okay, yeah, absolutely amazing. You can see that. Pretty cool. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. So I can use this like that, can point this down, can move it even up here, and that's the awesome thing, because that's where I've been struggling a lot. You can see this is a standard Home Depot bucket, and with the previous faucet here it was almost impossible to put the bucket underneath, but here with this one I can use it like that, can use it like that, and at the end when it's full I can just move it up here and easily remove the bucket here. Don't even have to lean it to the side to remove it. Can just lift it up here, normal, straight, vertical. Yeah, definitely the best and easiest solution so far. And I can also point it a little bit to the side. You can see when I have to clean the dirt here, even out of the corners, also works. Maybe not as easy as with a flexible hose, but definitely flexible enough. Absolutely no problem. And so I can finally clean that really nicely for the first time. And yeah, we have this even nice extra. You can see, watch this thing, absolutely amazing. So we can switch between the normal aerated water here and then this rain shower type here. It's not very wide, but it's okay. Definitely gives some nice extra option. Yeah, that definitely works perfectly for me. I mean, at least when I bought it, it was pretty cheap, so I'm not expecting that it will last 10 years or so, but if it lasts for a couple of years, I'm good with that. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this faucet, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.